Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahtesham Mazhar. Today I will be teaching about table of 4. 4 multiply 1 equals to 4. 4 multiply 2 equals to 8. 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. 4 multiply 4 equals 16. 4 multiply 5 equals 20. 4 multiply 6 equals 24. 4 multiply 7 equals 28. 4 multiply 8 equals 32. 4 multiply 9 equals 36. 4 multiply 10 equals 40. That's all today. Please like and subscribe.